Today I have to do the my PM. What's up, Jaden? Mwah. Daddy love you. Let me call my mechanic.
Hello.
Hello. Andy.
¿Qué tal?
Muy bien.
Dígame.
¿Qué pasa? Yo quería hacer a 11 PM.
¿Para cuándo?
A 11.
¿Para hoy?
Ajá.
Oh, ¿cómo a qué horas?
¿Es posible?
Sí, es posible, solo que sea como a las 4 de la tarde.
¿Tiene que ser a las 4?
Sí, porque yo estoy solo, mi hermano tiene que venir de la escuela y él me ayuda.
Oh, ok, a las 4. ¿Cuánto que cuesta para hacer la PM?
El PM 150 de mano de obra.
I don't know why you're in the rush. Okay. Mwah. Watch out. What we need for the truck PM, we need a oil filter, fuel filter, 11 gallon of oil, Rotella 15W40, and the water separator. Everything's here. Oh. I like when you guys come here. Cape Verdean food. Let me look for loads. There's a lot of loads on the board right now. Hi. This guy following me. It has a problem on his coolant. It's leaking bad. He's not from this area. I'm taking him to my mechanic. Nice weather. There's still. Usually when I go to the shop, I don't like to book a load. Anything can happen when you go to a shop. Let me put him. I hate someone in the back. I have to change the grill as well. You see, I got a new one here. I ordered online on Amazon. This is the new one. It doesn't come with a. It does not come with an international logo. It doesn't come with an international logo. I hope it can change it today, because this one is just messed up. I cannot change the wheel because I have to change this part in all this area right here is bented. Shit. The coolant is leaking a little bit because it needs the water pump gasket.